Term 3, Unit 2 Numbers, Part 3. In this session, we are going to learn about systematic ordering and their activities. Systematic ordering. So, logically find out something based on the conditions. Logically means, yes, you have to observe the question, that's it. Observe the question and then you have to continue with that correct answer. That's all. Okay, just follow me. At the end of the session, all will be able to do all those sums, right? So logically try and solve the problem. Here I will give some sequence of numbers. You have to find out. Okay, good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what will be the next number, ma? You're right, 6, isn't it? So after that, 7 and so on. So this sequence is named as a sequence of natural numbers, right? So for this sequence, we called it as natural numbers. Natural numbers means, yes, a natural number is a number that comes naturally. See, naturally we can order one pizza or two pizza or etc. But we couldn't order zero pizza, isn't it? That's what very important in natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers are greater than zero. We can use these numbers as a counting number. So hope you all understood. Right. So let us move on to the next one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So you all know well about this. Yes. What will be the next number? It's 11, isn't it? Then what is the name for this sequence of numbers? It's called sequence of odd numbers, right? So odd numbers, just to have a recap, odd numbers is any number that cannot be divided by 2. Yes, here they have given us an example 25 cannot be divided by 2, so 25 is odd, right? So this set of sequence of numbers are also not divided by 2, right? Okay, come to the next. 2, 4, 6, 8, then good, 10, isn't it? 10, 12, 14 and so on. So you all know well this also. So sequence of even numbers. So let us have the recap of even numbers. Yes. An even number is any number that can be divided by 2, right? For example, 12 can be divided by 2, so 12 is even. Therefore, any number whose last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is an even number. So ஒரு நம்பர் 0லயோ 2ல 4 or 6 or 8ல முடிஞ்சிருந்தா அந்த நம்பரை நம்ம ஈவன் நம்பர்னு சொல்லலாம். Or else, if the number divided by 2, ஒரு நம்பரை 2ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணி நமக்கு ரிமைண்டர் 0ன்னு கிடைச்சிச்சுன்னா sure it's an even number, right? Yes, third one, sorry, fourth one, 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. Can you all identify this? What number is this? Yes, you are right. It is an square number. Very good. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 is a sequence of square numbers. So let us have the recap. When a number is multiplied by itself, the product is called the square of that number. So ஒரு நம்பரை அந்த நம்பராலேயே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஆன்சர்ஸ்க்கு பேர் தான் ஸ்கொயர் நம்பர்ஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16 and then so on, right? Come to the last one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So what are all these numbers? What type of numbers is this? Yes, it is a sequence of prime numbers because this number is multiplied with 1 only, right? See here, a number which only has two factors, itself and 1. So 1ஆல மட்டுமே multiply பண்ணக்கூடிய number இது, ஓகேவா? The first 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and so on. Okay, right. So now you all able to do all those sequences, isn't it? So let us continue. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So once again it's an even number, but let us see the difference. Yes, all the difference will be plus 2 only. So we can say this as a multiples of 2, right? So இது multiples of 2 னு சொல்லலாம், or else plus 2 add பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையா? இது repeated addition லையும் வரும், because repeated addition is also called as multiplication, isn't it? Okay. So here 4, 8, 12, 16. So here see the difference, plus 4. Am I right? Yes. So plus 4 ma, just add with that. This we called as multiples of 4. Come to the third one, 1, 4, 7, 10. Let us see the difference. Yes, plus 3 ma. Here 4 plus 3, 7, then 7 plus 3, 10. So here it's not a multiples of 3, but we can say this as an addition of 3, isn't it? Adding the same number. Add the same number and set a successive number. So the difference வச்சு நம்ம next step க்கு move பண்ணி போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? Okay. Then 37, 32, 27 and 22. Here the numbers are reducing, isn't it? So decreasing ma குறையுது. So we need to do subtract only. So what will be the difference? Minus 5. Clear? Just check it out. Good. So we need to write like this. Subtract the same number and set a successive number. That's it. Then come to the next. 1, 3, 9, 27. Here what happened? Yes, multiples of 3 into 3. You have to multiply with 3 ma. So that is the difference here. Fine. So let us write like this. Multiple the same numbers and set as successive numbers. Last one, 64, 32, 16. Once again it's reducing, but try to observe the concept first. 64, then 32. So we can divide it by 2. Am I right? Yes, yes. Divided by 2 is the difference for this. So we can write like this. Divide the same number and set a successive number. So these kind of examples will be helpful in the questions also. So try to observe it, okay? Activity 2, A sum. Color the numbers row with the help of following tips. See here is the tabular column. So here we are going to give coloring for row wise. The first row, second row, like that. Row wise we need to give color. So come to follow the tips. See first one, orange color to the prime number row. So prime number means good. It has only two factors, right? 1 and itself. So 1 ஆல மட்டுமே multiply பண்ணக்கூடிய நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு பேரு தான் prime factors or prime number. See, look at the tips. P, R, I and ME. I and me. 2ங்கிற ஒரு நம்பரும் 1 ஆல மட்டுமே multiply பண்ணக்கூடிய numbers தான் 2, isn't it? So 2 is a prime number. Like that 3, 5, 7 and so on. So it has only two factors, right? I na 1, 1ங்கிற number ma 1 ஆல மட்டும் multiply பண்ணக்கூடிய numbers தான் prime numbers. Clear? So prime numbers are very important in higher class. It's very useful, and don't forget about the prime numbers. Clear? See here. Here I have given prime numbers up to 100. So here is that it will be helpful. So come to find out the prime number. See first row. Check it out. 2, 23, 5, 37, 61. Yes, this is the prime numbers, and you can check it with this numbers also. Fine. So here we are going to give the orange color. Then come to the second one. Don't color the odd number row. So odd number means where it is. It's first, second row. No, it's not. See here, it's an even number. Yes, third row. These rows are called odd number. So here no need to give color. Just I highlighted the number. That's it. Fine. So come to the next one, third. Blue color to multiples of 6 row. So sixth table answers ma, where it is? Yes, here. 6, 12, 18, 24. Yes, this is the sixth row. That is, sorry, multiples of 6, isn't it? Here we need to give the blue color. So color it with blue in your book. Then come to the fourth one, orange color to the square number row. Just now we have learned. So check it here. It's yes, 1, 16, 4, 25, and yes, this is the correct one, and it all mingled. So anyway, but this is the square number row. So you have to color with orange only. Then two more is there. Fifth one, don't color the even number row. So look at this row and this row only left out. So this is the even number. So no need to color here. Just I highlighted. Fine. Now come to the last one. Blue color the multiples of 8th row. Right. So this is the correct answer. 8th table answer. So color it with blue. So it's very easy. Try to observe the question. That's what very important. B sum. Let us fill the number wheel. Yes. Here the questions are asked for as a number wheel ma. So observe the question carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4, isn't it? So in that first wheel they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1, 4. So sure it's a square number, right? Okay, I'll explain. See, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, then 3 threes are, yes, 9, 4 fours are what? Very good, 16, isn't it? Okay, you are all familiar with that. So like this you have to observe the question carefully and then you have to fill the answer, right? Okay, okay. Come to the next one. See here, it's here also 1, 2, 3, 4, then 7, then here missing, then 21 and missing. So 1 and 7, 2 and 3. Yes. So it's a multiplication of 7, right? So 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14, then 3 sevens are 21. Okay. So 4 sevens are as usual. You know well. The answer is what? Very good. 28. Clear? Then let us move to the next one. So observe this question ma. So here you have to come from the clockwise. So 8, 16 missing, then 32, 48. Okay. Here also it's a multiplication table of 8 only. Fine. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are what? Fine. 24. Here 32 given, so 8 fours are. Then 8 fives are 40. Likewise, you have to fill. 8 sevens are, what will be the answer? Good, good. 56, right? Then 8 eights are 64. So like this you have to follow ma. It's very interesting and then you have to complete it carefully. See some. Complete the circle using the given 4 basic operators to get the number 20. So look at this. This is the answer ma. So நமக்கு 20ங்கிற ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த 2 ஓட எந்த நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா நமக்கு 20 கிடைக்கும். That is the question. So 2 into which number? Yes, 2 tens are 20, isn't it? Yes. So 2 tens are 10 is the correct answer here. Like this we need to find the answers here, but be careful on the operation also. See here, come to the second one. 40 divided by which number will get 20. So 20ங்கிற ஆன்சர் தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கணும். ஆனா அந்த 20 கிடைக்கணும்னா நம்ம எந்த நம்பரால டிவைட் பண்ணணும்? That is the question. So 40 divided by 2. If we divide by 2, you will get the answer 20. That's it. Because 20 into 2, 40. Clear? Okay. Then come to the third one, 5 plus 5 plus dash will get 20. So நமக்கு இதோட எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணா நமக்கு 20 கிடைக்கும். So 5 plus 5 already 10 is there. So we need 10 more only. Clear? So 10 is the correct answer here. Then come to the last one, 36. Here minus symbol ma, don't get confusion with this. See, 36 minus which number? You will get the answer of 20. So 36 minus 16. Just you check it out. Right. So 36 minus 16, the answer will be 20. Like this you have to complete. So these kind of questions will be asked in the competitive exam. So higher class la இதே மாதிரி நிறைய questions face பண்ணுவீங்க. So it will be very easy and interested one. Okay. D sum, fill in the blanks. So 5 sums are here. So first one, 5, 10, 15, then 25. So just to observe the difference ma. So 5 plus 5 only 10, isn't it? Like the 10 plus 5 also 15. So we need to add with 5 only. So 15 plus 5, 20. So 20 plus 5 as usual 25. So our answer is right. So come to the second one, 30, 24, then dash 12, 6. It's reducing. So sure we need to do subtraction only. So what is the difference? 6, isn't it? Okay, minus 6. 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Then 24 minus 6 is equal to, what will be the answer? Yes, 18. 18 is the correct answer here ma. Then if you minus with 6, the 12 will be the answer. So answer is right. Then come to the third one, 7, 9, 11, then dash dash 17. So it's a addition only, but difference is 2, right? So plus 2 is the correct answer. Like that we need to add with the 2 only. 11 plus 2, 13. Then 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17, right? So come to the fourth. Here the difference is 3, I think. Okay, then 4 and 9, the difference is plus 5 ma. So it's increasing with odd numbers, isn't it? Okay. So next we need to add with plus 7. So be alert ma. So 9 plus 7, it's a 16. So 16 order plus 9 சேர்த்தீங்கன்னா தான் நமக்கு 25 கிடைக்கும். Yes. So இதை நீங்க இப்படியும் போடலாம், or else it's a square number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, isn't it? So நீங்க எப்படி எடுனாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம், no problem. Then fifth one, 1, 4, 7, dash 13 and 19. So let us see the difference here. Plus 3. Then next also plus 3. So sure we need to do plus 3 only, no problem. So 7 plus 3, 10, right? So 10 plus 3, 13. Then 13 plus 3, 16. Okay, fine. That's it. Like this, whatever fill in the blanks or any wheel sum, whatever may be, try to observe the difference first. Clear? Next one, E-sum. Answer the following. Let's give numbers to the English alphabet. So it's a different but very funny, because instead of English alphabet, we are going to use number. That's it. Okay. So just to observe it carefully. See here. Instead of A, we need to put 1. B க்கு பதிலா 2. C க்கு பதிலா 3. And then so on. It is also in an order only. It's very easy. So no need to panic about this. See, totally we have 26 letters. So up to 26 they have fixed. Right? Okay. Come to the question. If book is 43, then pen is dash. So instead of book, we have to fix the number. So B, yes, 2. Then for O, 15. Once again O ma. So 2 times we need to add. Then for K, 11. So we have to add all those numbers. Then only we will get this answer. So 2 plus 15 plus 15 plus 11. That's equal to 43. Right? Likewise, we are going to find for pen ma. So instead of P, 16, E for 5 and N for 14. Right. So 16 plus 5 plus 14. Like that we need to add more. So answer will be 35. Just you check it out whether I have done correct or not. Then come to the second question. So observe it carefully. If school is this much number. So here they didn't add. Instead of adding, they have fixed the same number. அங்க என்ன number இருக்கோ அது அப்படியே இங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Just check it ma. Instead of yes, yes க்கு பதிலா எங்க இருக்கு? Yes, what number will become 19 only. See here. So 19 is the first number. Then for C, it's 3. Okay. Then for H, 8. 8 is here. Then for O, double O ma. So we known well 15, isn't it? So 2 times 15. They have given 15 two times. Then for L, it's 12. Last one. Right. Likewise, we are going to find the answer for class. So instead of C, let us write 3. Then for L, 12. Then for A, it's very easy. We all know well 1. And yes, 19. It will come 2 times. Right? Like this, we have to find the observe the question and then fill the answer. Right? Let us continue with the third question mark. If bag is 10, then book is dash. As usual, instead of B, 2 is there and A, 1, instead of G, 7. If we add, we get 10. And just now, before only, we have entered for book. The same will be come here. So 43 is the correct answer here. Then go to fourth sum. If LION, lion is 50, then tiger is dash. Here also we need to add more. So instead of L, just to check it out, 12 plus 9 plus 15 plus 14. Right. So if we add these all numbers, we get 50. Likewise, tiger. Let us start to write. T for 20 and I for 9, G for 7, E for 5 and R for 18. If we add all those numbers, we get 59. Then at last, here also we have to fix the number only ma. Like second sum second question martha ingiyum. So if hen is 8514, then cock is dash. So let us fill for C 3, O for 15, C for once again 3 and K for 11. So that's it. It's very easy, isn't it? So if you can't understand, please go through one more time. It's very easy and very, very simple. Right? So all the best.